Moin, welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're gonna check out this explosion, which is like gonna be crazy. I think you can see right here, about 15 minutes in is when it happens. I just happened to look at the what do you call this thing? It shows you what's the most replayed section of the video. This is in Düsseldorf. Let's check it out, man. Come on, come on. And once again, I worked in emergency services, so big shout out to all the firefighters out there, all the police officers, all the paramedics and first responders in every capacity, because it's a hell of a tough job and the turnover's high and people coming and going, but the people that can stay there, man, crazy job. Oh, I accidentally skipped to the explosion. Go back to the beginning. I wonder what type of facility or building or business this is, why it lit on fire. That's where you need the fire investigators. Just looks quite hellish right now, quite hellish. There's not much use just zooming up on it, so let's just see if there's any developments as we continue here. Feuerwehr. No. You can see the blinds melting there. Damn. So it looks like multiple buildings, structures, and businesses on fire. Definitely a serious structure fire. They're not really attacking it yet. Trees on fire too? It's really raging now. Okay, now they're attacking. It's pretty much out of control at this point. Damn. Sheesh. Sheesh. Sounds like you can hear things crackling and popping, and that's not necessarily a good sign. You'd hope the firefighters are aware of some degree that, like, I wonder what causes the explosion later on. Oh, damn. It's really not good. It's really, really not good. It's just... That is cereal. That is cereal, my friends. So, heftig... Explosion, BEI, Großbrand, Düsseldorf. Feuerwehr verletzt. Massive Rauchentwicklung. Beautiful fire truck. Holy shit. I'm guessing they're not going to be expecting this explosion, because you can see, even in the preview clip, they're all pretty close to it. Look at those windows melted and broken. Oh, looks like they got it somewhat... Oh, they got it somewhat contained now. The building is just gutted. Absolutely gutted. Wow. So this is when the explosion is going to happen. Like, I wonder if they, like, at this point, they think that it's pretty well contained. Like, they got a good handle on it. But there's a material inside that's going to explode. I wonder what the hell exploded. Let's see if there's anything in the description. Oh, it's all in German. Here it comes. Holy shit. Yeah, they were not expecting it at all. Probably somewhat shocked. Jeez. Holy. That's... Jesus Christ. Oh, man. That's crazy. So, they do eventually conquer... Oh, no. Jeez. That's dangerous.
Zu einem Feuer hier am Hertha-Lowig alarmiert. Hier brannte es in einer Lagerhalle. Bereits beim Eintreffen der Einsatzkräfte, die relativ schnell nach 6...
So, what type of business was it? If you guys, maybe just let me know in the comments. I'm interested to find out. Looks like that was really dangerous because it looks like some debris or like hit this fire truck. I assume if that hit a person, it would be bad news. Very bad news. Interesting video. These guys got a dangerous job. Emergency services, firemen. Like, it's inherently can be very dangerous. They have lots of training, and hopefully they're well paid and have a good work-life balance for such a stressful and crazy and important job. All right.